what's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna show you how to link your debit card in here with your iPhone in here so you can link it to Apple Wallet application and you can now pay seamlessly and conveniently just by simply touching your phone at the POS machine or at the vendor where you're about to pay for your shopping bills. Okay, let's say that you go into a supermarket, let's say Target or anything like that, and you want to pay. You simply want to touch your phone over there at the POS vendor, at the vendor POS machine. You just need to tap it over there and your phone will do the job. You will no longer need your card. If it's a Visa card or a MasterCard, regardless of the card that you do have, this will work for you, and it's very interesting and convenient. For example, let's pretend that this is the vendor machine. All we need to do is touch here and tick. There we go. Payment has been complete. Very convenient and interesting in here. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I do upload a lot of tech tutorials and hacks. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, without any further ado, let's proceed. I do have a Visa debit card in here. If it's a MasterCard, as I've said, no worries at all. I've just hidden a few details in here. It's an expired card, but just for security reasons, that's why it's kinda blocked here. Now let's hop into Apple Wallet real quick. There we go. We do have our wallet where we can store passes, tickets, cards, and a lot more information in here. It's basically a digital wallet. Next up, to link your card, just need to tap here on this plus icon, and you may be facing a situation like mine in here. I do have this error which says add cards to wallet, to add cards, keys, tickets, and passes to wallet. Look for the add to wallet button in apps, emails, and websites. Now, what this essentially is saying is that you are in a region, or you are set up to a region that doesn't allow this, but I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. Now, go all the way to settings first. We're going to try a different method. Let's scroll down all the way to wallet down here, and then let's hop into wallet real quick. Now, tap here on add card under payment cards, and then tap on add card and see if the problem gets sorted out. Oops, unfortunately it's still here, but I'm going to show you how to get rid of this. Now, you need to change your region to a region that supports, okay? But double check that you are actually not going against the law of your specific region or country. I'm not responsible if in your country you do face an issue for using this because it may not be allowed or anything like that. It's all on your responsibility. I'm just teaching you for showcase purposes how this works. So let's hop into general real quick. Next up, let's scroll all the way to language and region down here. Hop into language and region. Next up, you want to tap on region in here, and you want to change your region to a region that accepts. It needs to be, in most cases, the region where you are to comply to the law, right? So in my case, for example, let me go in here with UK. There we go. United Kingdom. Here we go. I've selected, and then I'm going to tap here on keep English US. There we go. It's now setting up my region. Let's sit for a couple seconds. There we go. It's now done. Now let's go back. Let's go back to the main home screen, and then let me reopen wallet application in here. Okay, let me tap on wallet, and then let me tap on plus in here, and then in just a few seconds I'll be able to see this new screen which says add to wallet. Keep all the cards, keys, and passes you use every day all in one place. There we go. Now we do have access to the wallet. Now, in case you still don't have access but you are sure that your region allows you to add cards, what I would recommend you guys to do is to perform a quick forced restart on your phone after changing your region, because what may be happening is that your phone may not have updated the new setting, right? So in order to perform a forced restart, if you do have an iPhone 8 or later models like mine, all you need to do is rapidly tap on volume up and then down, and then press and hold the power button. Keep on pressing the power button until you see the Apple logo on your screen. This should be approximately 6 to 8 seconds. There we go. Apple logo now coming to my screen, and then once you see the Apple logo, you're going to release the power button and let your phone turn on normally. Now, if you do have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, in order to perform a forced restart, all you want to do is press and hold the volume down here along with the power button. Press and hold it continuously until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, release both of the buttons combination and let your phone turn on normally. Now, if you do have an iPhone 6 or an iPhone with the physical home button in here, all you want to do is press and hold that physical home button along with the power button until you see the Apple logo on your screen. Once you see, you're going to release both of the buttons combination. Now, please note that in older iPhone devices such as an iPhone 5 and iPhone 4, the power button is located here at the top. So in order to perform the force restart, you'll have to press and hold the physical home button along with the power button at the top until you see the Apple logo on your screen. Now, once you've done the force restart, try reopening Wallet once again and try tapping here on plus to see if you can add your card. Okay, I'm not yet connected to the internet. Let me just give it a couple seconds. Since I've just restarted my phone, let me go to Wallet. There we go, plus, and now it's allowing. Now, essentially here, what we're gonna do is simply tap on debit or credit card, and then let's tap on continue real quick. Okay, so let me just close this. There we go. Now we need to place the iPhone on the back of the card. Okay, this is the front of the card. It needs to be the back here of the card. There we go. So we need to simply put it back here like this. Okay, there's NFC. Now it's saying unable to read card, okay? It's adding the card, there we go. It's contacting the card issuer, and in just a few seconds, your card should be set up in here. Now, your issuer does not yet offer support for this card. The thing is, my card is actually expired, but it's just for showcase purposes how the process works. You just need to tap it in over there, and then in a few seconds, this will be linked over there. Now, next up, once you've done that, you just need to follow up with the process of simply inserting your details, your data, which is quite easy. You can also tap on enter card details manually. For example, my name is here. You can tap in your card number and other details as well. Tap on continue and this will be set up seamlessly. Now, if you are in a region where it doesn't accept you to use this feature and you're still trying to insert the card, then this will not work for you. But give it a try. There's nothing to lose with giving a try. So this is how you actually link your card in here. If it's a debit, if it's a credit, if it's Visa, if it's a MasterCard, to your Apple wallet in here on your iPhone device, so you can now start making payments seamlessly without any issue at all. My name is Shaq and thanks for watching till the end of the video. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts so we can actually discuss further down below. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq, where my main aim in here is to help all of you guys fixing tech-related issues without spending money, without paying for a technician to a local engineer or anything like that, because in most cases you can actually fix all these issues or most commonly faced issues by your own at your home. Okay, so my aim is to help you guys with tech-related content. Thank you for supporting. We've just hit 50,000 subscribers, and all this wouldn't be possible without your support in here. By subscribing, by liking, you actually keep me going, and this really helps me out so I can reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. My aim in here is to grow the channel as much as I can so I can reach out to more people and, of course, as I've just said, help out more people here with tech-related issues. But of course, it's not easy to do it alone. This is a community. I want you guys to stay here with me, interacting in the comment section within the community tab as well by visiting the community in here so we can actually interact every single day. And if you have any doubt or any question by any means, feel free to leave it down in the comment section so I can actually reply to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate your help and I hope we can actually reach 200k subscribers real soon. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.